Imagine a world without any animals. What if they all died out?
Adelaide and Monada Zoo care for approximately 3,000 animals. Many of these are listed as critically endangered, threatened or vulnerable. To support their conservation and breeding programs, people help out through donations, sponsorships and memberships.
Some questions. Where do you get the money to supply all the animals? Animal survival.
So do you mean for conservation,
Yeah.
for the conservation programs? All of the entry fees to the zoo that people pay each day to come into the zoo actually goes back to conservation. First it has to pay for the whole running of the zoo, and then any leftover money gets put into the conservation of species.
Yep. Why are they endangered?
Poor breeding, because they can only breed for 2 or 3 days a year. That's their only chance to try to have a baby. And also habitat loss.
In 2006, the Adelaide Zoo provided a new home for 2 endangered species, the tiger and orangutan.
The 3 tigers at the zoo are part of a worldwide breeding program to help save the tigers from extinction.
Orangutans were once widespread throughout Asian forests, but are now confined to 2 islands. In order to help reduce the demand of palm oil and to raise awareness, Zoos SA made a decision not to use or sell palm oil products. Without assistance, animals are on the road to extinction.